Hey, you wonderful weirdos, welcome back to the Evil Lair. This is a very special project that we have to do for a friend of ours. He reached out and asked for a little bit of help, so we're going to give him a hand. What we got to do is we got to make 100 coins. More specifically, we have to make 13 that have gold. We're going to use Nordic gold. We've made Nordic gold before. It's easy enough to do. But then we got to do 87 silver-toned coins for his comic book launch, which is on Kickstarter now, called Murder King. These are going to be like campaign award type things, you know, where you scale up. So he reached out, and Mr. Bleecker Street Comics asked us if we could help out with it. I'm very, very humbled and happy to do it. What we're going to do for the silver ones, we're going to make them out of pewter, so they're good and safe instead of lead or aluminum, where they're super light. 6 pounds worth of lead should take care of us, and we already have our molds. Had to reach out and get a little help with the molds. On one side of the coin, it's going to have a skull, kind of with a fractured background a little bit, representing death, right? And then on the bottom, on the flip side of the coin, we're going to have a hourglass, right? Because death is something that we're all going to get to. It's just a matter of time.
Oh no!
So we liked this design. That's what we're going to do. We can only get 4 molds. I'm only able to make 4 coins at a time. But we're going to do it. We got plenty of time. We got nothing but time, pewter, and Nordic gold. So let's get started with the silver ones first, making them out of pewter. Let's get started.
I keep a contract in the back of the car, just in case somebody really wants to make me a star. I get in contact with celebrities, drop a demo with their manager that they'll never see. I guess it's our time, I accept the right time. It's never something that I will find, or you're just being too polite to tell me that this isn't for me. Leave a message saying that you're proud of me. You always thought I was a nobody. I'm tying my shoelaces and I wanna see your faces singing one before I die. Oh, that could turn me down. Wish that you could see me now. Singing one before I die. You already know. And this is not where I thought I would be. Can't even sell 100 and my tickets are free. Just gotta hold on until something breaks. Keep on smiling at the rain and never make a mistake. It gets on when no one gets the joke that you already know, but you build that shit up anyway. Leave a message saying that you're proud of me. You always thought I was a nobody. I'm trying my shoelaces.
Okay, so let's make some Nordic gold. This is an alloy that we have to make. Nordic gold is relatively uncommon. The reason why it's called Nordic gold because it has the look of gold, has no gold in it. But basically all that it is about 89% copper, and this is by weight. So we got 89 grams that we're using in here. 5% aluminum, 5% zinc, and 1% tin. We're going to pop all these up. We're going to add some heat to this. We get it melted down and pour 13 of these for a total of 100 coins. Let's go.
I will not be compliant. If you push, I'm defiant. Just try it. It is bound to get violent when you walk this way. I won't stop until you're down in your grave with a couple of friends to keep you company. At the moment's notice, I'll be swinging the blade, saying, look at this beautiful mess I made. When the enemy is at your door, you better hold that line. When you find out what they're looking for, you better roll the dice. I was raised in the shadows, nothing else even matters. Yeah. When the enemy is at your door, you better hold that line. Na, 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 na. I won't stop until you're down in your grave, with a couple of your friends to keep you company. At the moment's notice, I'll be swinging the blade, saying, look at this beautiful mess I made. When the enemy is at your door, you better hold that line. When you find out what they're looking for, you better roll the dice. I was raised in the shadows, nothing else even matters. Yeah. When the enemy is at your door, you better hold that line. Hold that line. When the enemy is at your door, you better.
That's it. We're done. It's all done. All 100 coins are all done. Silver-ish color and gold color-ish color. So check these out. There's our silver. Got a little bit of a polish on it. Give it a nice reflection. Got the hourglass. Got the skull, 'cause spooky, right? And same thing for the gold. A nice little gold color there. And again, nice reflectiveness to it. Looks very similar to gold. So that is super cool. And again, these are going to my friend Bleecker Street Comics, who is following his passion. He wants to write comic books. He wrote one, he put it out there, and he needs your support. So if you want one of these coins plus a cool comic book, check the link out down below. And I'll catch you next time on the next Evil Lair Projects and Builds. I'm sure we'll do something stupid. Come on by.